Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more app reviews and tech tips. Here's our in-depth look at the KINETICOACH fitness app, KINETICOACH. Links to the app and related products are down below in the description. Let's jump right in and explore why this app might be perfect for you. KINETICOACH is a cutting-edge, AI-powered fitness app designed specifically for individuals seeking personalized workout plans without the expense of a personal trainer. It's a fantastic option for frequent travelers, busy professionals, or anyone who values flexibility in their fitness regimen. The app's most impressive feature is its remarkable adaptability. It creates workouts tailored to your available equipment, time constraints, fitness objectives, and even your daily energy levels. Whether you're in a fully equipped gym, a hotel room, or exercising at home, the app optimizes exercises to fit your specific circumstances. Navigating the app is a breeze thanks to its clean and intuitive user interface. When you sign up, you'll complete a brief assessment detailing your current fitness level, goals, e.g., weight loss, muscle gain, overall fitness, and the equipment you have access to. Using this information, KINETICOACH generates a customized workout plan that dynamically adjusts as you track your progress. Workouts are easy to follow, featuring clear video demonstrations and step-by-step instructions to ensure correct form. The app also integrates rest timers, warm-ups, and cool-downs, providing a comprehensive fitness experience. One unique aspect of KINETICOACH is its focus on fitness while traveling. By allowing users to input their location, the app considers equipment availability at that location to offer practical workout solutions. Furthermore, the app meticulously tracks key metrics such as calories burned, exercise history, and progress over time, helping you stay motivated and on track. KINETICOACH caters to all fitness levels, from beginners to seasoned athletes. Its ability to accommodate diverse needs distinguishes it in the saturated fitness app market. While the subscription fee is slightly higher than some competitors, the value provided through its customization and convenience makes the price worthwhile. In conclusion, KINETICOACH effectively merges technology and fitness expertise to deliver a highly personalized workout experience. If flexibility, user-friendliness, and tailored workouts are important to you, this app is an excellent option. Download it today and start transforming your fitness journey.